Today on PowerNation Daily, the Beetle is dead again, a guy that leads police on a record number of chases. Cops share the craziest ways people try to cheat tolls. Dodge is releasing the Shakedown package. The Smokin Titan is tailgating at its best. And it's time for Top 5 Fast Fails, so let's get this party started. Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Gannon Pritchard. Welcome to PowerNation Daily. We got a lot to talk about, so let's get to talking. Volkswagen has confirmed it's not planning on another generation Beetle. VW's CEO stated that Volkswagen is evolving into an SUV brand at the Geneva Motor Show. The logic is that Beetle isn't new anymore. Having been revived in 1997 and in 2011, there's been too many new Beetles produced. And while the Beetle isn't a gearhead's first choice for hot rods, you can't argue with the fact that it's an iconic car. But VW has decided to keep the nostalgia feel by reviving the microbus with the ID Buzz concept. What do you think about that ID Buzz concept? I don't like the name, but I think the idea of a microbus is kind of cool. A lot of people have hobbies, and then you have this guy who likes to lead police on high-speed chases. I don't recommend it. So far this year, Donald Williams has led police in Indianapolis on not one, not two, but 3 high-speed chases, according to local news Fox 59. After being caught for everything from breaking and entering into cars and erratic driving, Williams has been leading police all over the city since January, and he's not shown any signs of slowing up. The officers are doing their job catching him, and he does his job getting out of jail. That's crazy. Stay in jail, buddy. There's been a lot of videos out there over the years of people attempting to avoid paying tolls. You can't blame them, right? And while it's not a major deal for the most part, there are a handful of people out there that have gone way beyond what's normal to save some cash and put some money in their pocket. Inside Edition put together a video from Florida. Florida always has the good stuff. From the Florida Highway Patrol to see the craziest ways people try to cheat toll roads. There's everything from license plates being smeared with grease to people physically sitting in the trunks of their cars trying to lean over and cover the license plate. That's a good one. I'd like to see that. And if you want to see all those videos, check them out on our website at PowerNationTV.com. Dodge is releasing a new Shakedown package inspired by the Shakedown Challenger SEMA show car. Car and Driver reports the package is available on Shaker hood-equipped Challenger RT, RT Plus, and 392 Scat Pack models, and is equipped with asymmetrical black racing stripes that emphasize the Shaker hood, white gauges, and upgraded sound system. It's a pretty cool package. It costs about $995, and it can be added to any color, including the new B5 Blue, the Plum Crazy options, and whatever else you want to add it to. Although it doesn't offer any performance upgrades, if you're interested in this kind of styling package, hit them up. If you're not, just save the money. Go to Taco Bell or something. What's more American than barbecue and pickup trucks? Well, Nissan combined the two with the world's first fully integrated in-bed smoker and mobile kitchen. The Smokin Titan was released at the 2018 Work Truck Show, and it's a 2018 Nissan Titan XD with a custom flatbed that can make any tailgater's dream come true. It includes 3 food prep stations with double burner stoves, along with a sink, a cutting board, and a water storage system that can also be swapped out for a Yeti if holding beer is more your thing. Can't blame them there. In the second row of the King cab is a refrigerator/freezer and a spice rack. If you're worried about things heating up, the bed was removed and put on a custom trailer. It's everything you could ever ask for if you're into barbecuing and tailgating. Thanks for watching PowerNation Daily, everybody. I'm Gannon Pritchard. Let us know what you want to see on PowerNationTV.com. Also hit us up on Facebook, Instagram, and whatever other social media that you guys might have, because more than likely we're there. See you guys real soon.